Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Jirai, and I'm back. And today we are making a side today, which is cilantro lime rice. So let's go.
Ingredients are half of a lime juice, 1 cup of rice, 3 tablespoons of cilantro, some salt, 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of water. If you rub the lime in your hands before you juice it, the lime produces more juice. First, you want to pour your water into a small pot. Then, you want to turn the stove on to a medium-high and let the water boil. Next, you want to add your rice, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and a little bit of salt to the pot of boiling water. Then, you want to leave it boiling for 2 minutes. After that, turn it to a low and put a top on. Then leave it for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes is over, turn the stove off and leave it sitting for 5 minutes. After you leave it sitting, you scoop the rice into a bowl. Add the cilantro. Add the lime juice and the rest of the vegetable oil. Add a little salt to taste, and voila!
So now we have our cilantro and lime rice. So let's try it. That's really good.
If you want your recipe in one of my videos, there's a link to my email down below. And if you want more recipes, subscribe and like.